Okay, hello folks. This next item we're going to look at is a microphone stand. And this one is made by On-Stage Stands, and it happens to be the On-Stage MS7701B as in boy. And I guess B stands for black, because I've seen these in silver also. So anyway, these are really good stands because number one, they're lightweight. And I don't know if you remember in the old days, they used to have these stands and they used to have the round base down below. And that thing, it was nice because it was a heavy base and it would keep the stand from tilting over. But boy, was that base heavy. I remember some of them are like 7 to 8 pounds. And when you're carrying a lot of musical equipment, you definitely don't need the added weight. So if you could go light, that's great. And that's what's good about these stage stands. They're light and they're sturdy, and they do the job without having that big base down below. Instead of that, these have what you call a tripod down below. It's pretty cool. It doesn't weigh as much, and it's really sturdy because of the tripod stands, you know, the 3 legs that it has holding it sturdy. And like I said before, when you used to have that round base at the bottom, that round base alone was like 8 to 9 pounds or something like that. And this, the whole thing weighs 3.95 pounds. That's pretty good. I mean, it's just, it definitely cuts down on the weight. And like I was saying before, you definitely don't want any extra weight when you can get away with it. So and this thing is pretty nice because it's made out of like a light metal, and the stand does extend, so you can adjust it. You can adjust the height of it. This comes out, you loosen this, and you know, it gets pretty good. And you can put the microphone clip on here. And the way this works, you can see right here the legs. Let's see if we can open these up. You loosen this knob here and it slides down, and you open the legs up like that, and you tighten it down, and that's how it works. Simple as that. It's pretty sturdy, as you can see. The legs open up to, you know, a pretty nice width to where it's going to keep the stand pretty sturdy. And then when you want to fold it back up, you just do the opposite. You loosen the little wing nut here. You can push this up, turn this around, fold the legs in, and there you go. It folds down pretty easy. So that's what I like about these stands. They're pretty convenient, and they're not heavy at all. And the microphone goes right on top here, on the top end right here, and it's got like a little tightening ring. Once you put the clip on there, it'll tighten down, and that's pretty cool that you can do that with that. And like I said, it doesn't weigh much. It's only 3.9 pounds. It does extend to different lengths. You know, you could either extend it all the way up or not all the way down. Whatever length you need. It's to whatever height, I should say, not length. This will open up to 63 inches. So if you open this thing up, if you measure from the floor to the length, the total length of this thing, it would be 63 inches, and it goes down to 36 inches when you close it up. And then the base is kind of big. The only thing about this is, like, when you spread the legs out, you know, it takes up a nice area or circumference of a stand up of room. But that's so it won't tip over. So I'd rather have the stability and shorter legs and not stability. So you can always put stuff around the legs too, because it's only 3 legs. Yeah, because the area of the legs, when you open these all the way up, it's 23 inches in diameter. So, you know, that's a lot of space. But again, like I said, you can put stuff in between the legs, like if you have guitar pedals and things like that, you could put them in between. That's what I do. And this seems to work okay. And also, you can also attach a boom on this mic stand if you want. So it doesn't have to be just a microphone. You can put a boom, and then they make all kinds of other stuff too. They make like little trays that you can put on there. But the main thing that it's used for, mic stand for vocalists. That's the main function. It's a really sturdy material, so it's not going to break easily. And these, like this adjustment nut here, is pretty heavy duty. I've had this for a long time, so you can see it's got like a lot of wear and tear, and I haven't had any problems with it. And it's not that big to where you can't store it anywhere. It goes down to a pretty nice height, and you know, you can put it like in you know, in a bigger size gig bag, and carry a couple of these at a time, because like I said, they're not that heavy. They're lighter than the old mic stands that used to have the round base. So this is kind of nice, and they take up less room too than the, you know, because with the round base you have to take the base off, unscrew it, and then have 2 pieces in your hand. This is just 1 piece, 1 solid piece, and you have your mic stand. So again, this is the on-stage stand. You can find it, you know, pretty much any music store, because it's pretty popular. And this is the on-stage model MS7701B tripod mic stand, they call it, because it's got, you know, the tripod legs on here. All right, enjoy.